Cheddar Gorge is a stunning natural landmark in Somerset, England, famed for its dramatic cliffs, underground caves and world-famous cheddar cheese. In today's video, we'll walk around the charming village and explore the shops and quaint historic buildings, taste and buy the delicious cave-matured English cheddar, and walk the entire cliff-top path, some 4 miles, for spectacular views of the gorge and encounters with feral goats. Join us to get an idea of just some of the things you can do in a day out at Cheddar Gorge. At almost 400 feet deep and 3 miles long, Cheddar Gorge is